Aw, thank you guys. I mean, it's true. It's true. Let's be real. Love really does win. This is another original song that's coming out in January. I've made an impossible task for myself. I'm releasing a new single every 6 weeks over 2020, so it's been a fun time, but this is a song called Songbird. Sneaky peek. So watch me calling out a melody. I'm busy writing checks with every single verse. I'm in relations with my destiny. Reclaim my title as the queen because I know my worth. That don't mean that I don't misbehave. Let me be clear that I have love to take in the plunge. It's a game between the give and take. It's me and me because I know that I'm my one. That I can be a songbird, baby. I can be a songbird, baby. So hear me throwing out a harmony. I know the things I need to make me work. I'm in relations with my destiny. I'm putting in my time to put me first. That don't mean that I won't let you play. Let me be clear that I have love to give a king. It's a game between the give and take. It could be you, but I'm not chasing anything. I can be a songbird, baby. I can be a songbird, baby. I can be a songbird, baby. I can play the chords to ease your pain. I can be a songbird, baby. Make you fall in love again and again. 'Cause it's a game of give and take. And I'ma let you have your way, but only if I get you in return. You give me yours and I will be your songbird. I can be a songbird, baby. I can be a songbird, baby. I can be a songbird, baby. I can play the chords to ease your pain. I can be a songbird, baby. Make you fall in love again and again. It's a game of give and take. I'ma let you have your way, but only if I get you in return. You give me yours and I will be your songbird.